welcome to my channel. In this video we will explore how to create a vibrant and harmonious kitchen space by incorporating plants. Today our topic is kitchen with plants. There are three basic issues which have to face when we decide for incorporation of plants in kitchen. When we say kitchen with plants, then the first question come to mind that which plants to incorporate in kitchen. For that, choose plants that suit your taste, preferences and grow well in the available light condition in your kitchen. You can use herbs like basil, mint, parsley, rosemary, chives, etc. You can also use leafy greens plants like spinach, lettuce, kale, small potted flowers like lavender, marigold, etc. Incorporation of aloe vera plants is a great option for the kitchen. This succulent does not require direct sunlight and needs a good watering at interval of 3 weeks. Leaf pulp of aloe vera is called as aloe gel, can use on cuts and burns in kitchen. The next issue for incorporation of plants in kitchen is to find the right spot or location in kitchen. You can resolve this issue by placing your plants in a location that receives plenty of natural light. A kitchen windowsill or a wall-mounted shelf near a window is ideal. Make sure your plant get at least 4 to 6 hours of indirect sunlight each day. Next problem for kitchen with plants is to choose a suitable container for plants. For that, use pots, mason jars or other containers with drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. Fill them with well-drained potting soil mixed with organic matter. There are some tips to maintain these plants in your kitchen. Water your plants regularly but avoid overwatering. Check soil moisture level by touching it. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Trim and prune your plants as needed to promote healthy growth and remove dead leaves. I hope you have learned from this video. Please like the video, comment, and if you want to get more such videos, please subscribe my channel. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.